Hello
Hello
everyone,
everyone,
welcome
welcome
back
back
to
to
the
the
IC
IC
Travelers.
Travelers.
Okay, good morning everyone. This is day 5 of our Thailand series and our 5th episode. So today we are heading to Pattaya. Right now we are at McD. We thought of taking something as a packing done, and we ordered a McChicken and a spicy McChicken burger, and it costed us 191 baht. So we'll head to Ekmai bus station. Like let me tell you, there are primarily 3 bus stations from where you can take the bus to Pattaya. 4 bus station actually. One is at the airport, one is Ekamai bus depot, and one is Mochit, and one is Southern Terminal. So Ekamai is very near to our hotel. So you can see like for whichever hotel you take, which will be the nearest. So you can take the bus from there, and the bus might take 1.5 or 2 hours or so. It's 11 a.m. now. Also, after reaching Pattaya, we'll show you how and where to book the Coral Island tour, like where you can get the best rates and how much it costed us. So we'll discuss everything today. So yeah, let's go.
Fly so high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you.
एकमाई बस स्टेशन पहुंचने के बाद आपको काफ़ी सारा काउंटर देखने को मिलेगा जहां से आप टिकट ले सकते हो पताया के लिए। आप वहां किसी भी काउंटर से बुक कर सकते हो अपने प्रिफर्ड टाइम, प्राइस और टाइप ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्टेशन के हिसाब से। हम लोगों का टिकट प्राइस था 150 बात पर पर्सन।
On top of the world. Dangerous.
So there are basically 2 types of transportation that you can take till Pattaya. One is this kind of transportation, that is the traveler, and the other is the big bus. Now we wanted to take the big bus because it has more leg space and it's a better way of transportation. But nevertheless, we got misunderstood and we booked a traveler. But one thing that happened is that the big bus only goes till Pattaya bus terminal, but this traveler goes till Pattaya beach. And anyway, if you have your hotel at Pattaya beach, then it will be much more preferable.
तो चलिए हम लोगों का रूम देखते हैं। पहले बोलते बाबा को हाय हाय। तो यहाँ पे है हम लोगों का एक हॉट वाटर करने का पॉट, और यहाँ पे है फ्रिज, रेफ्रिजरेटर एंड ये वॉशरूम। ओके, तो बाथ एरिया अलग है, और यहाँ से हम लोग का ये पूरा रूम है। रूम बहुत ही ज़्यादा प्रिटी है। ये बेड, ये सोफ़ा मुझे बहुत पसंद है, और ये है बैल्कनी। ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा क्यूट बैल्कनी है। यहाँ से आपको पूल भी दिखेगा, प्लस ये सिटिंग एरिया, यहाँ पे कपड़ा सुखाने के लिए आप रख सकते हो। और ये बाकी लोग।
Okay, so we have finally made it to Pattaya and we are at the hotel right now. The thing is, if you saw, like we went till Ekmai bus station in Bangkok, we directly booked the tickets and we got it. Like there are 2 kinds of transport that you can take. One is a traveler, one is a big bus, and you don't have to worry about anything. Like within 15 minutes to half an hour, there are buses or travelers from Bangkok to Pattaya, and if you don't get one, you'll get the other. So you don't have to worry, you'll get the tickets. So we are going out now. We'll book a tour if possible, and we'll let you know everything, and we'll stroll around Pattaya beach. And even while coming, it looked beautiful. The vibe is always like, if it's a beach and the beach destination, the vibe is cool. And let's go. We booked our cab through the Ball Tap and reached Bali Hay Pier at where you can book your Coral Island tour, and it is 6 p.m. now. So after a lot of discussion, polite bargaining, we reached at a conclusion, which is we booked our private speedboat transfers at 1100 baht, which includes both of us, and then we also booked parasailing from here itself at 500 baht each, and also booked the underwater sea walk experience at 1200 baht per person. Now they did not have a receipt, so after insisting, they wrote the confirmation on the back of their visiting card. Also, we booked this Coral Island tour today for day after tomorrow.
बाली है पियर से निकलते ही एक सीधा रास्ता दिखा और उस रास्ते पे काफ़ी सारा लाइट जला हुआ था और उसे देख के हमने सोचा क्यों ना एक वॉक किया जाए और ये एक काफ़ी अच्छा आइडिया था। वहाँ पे क्लब्स, पब्स, इंडियन रेस्टोरेंट, स्ट्रीट शॉप सब कुछ था और हाँ, मैकडी भी।
So after a while, we asked the local of where is the main road so that we can book a ball taxi to go to the Pattaya beach near the central Pattaya mall. And then he recommended us to take a Baht bus, which is a local transportation, which is similar to tuk-tuks in Bangkok or in India, and it took 20 baht each or per person to go till central Pattaya mall. So we need to press this to stop the Baht bus wherever you want, but we already told the destination to the driver, so it was not a problem. He stopped at the central Pattaya mall anyway. This is Central Pattaya Festival. You can even book your hotels and all like surrounding this area. And right opposite to it is the Pattaya beach. So this is also a nice place to book your hotel. The hotels might be a little expensive. So if you have the budget and according to your budget, you can do that. And the hotel that we booked, we'll talk about it once we go home tonight. So as we were walking down, we saw this mall and decided to go inside as she had to buy some beachwear for the upcoming Coral Island trip and also for the Phuket trip later. And after some bargainings, we got some good deals. And later, as it was already 9 p.m, so we settled in for an Indian restaurant to have our dinner, and trust me, Indian food is the best. After having our Indian dinner, now it's 10:30 p.m. and we have come till Walking Street. It's like Khao San Road in Bangkok. So it's just a party district or party street. So let's go and check out how is it.
हम लोगों ने ज़्यादा देर वॉकिंग स्ट्रीट पे नहीं बिताया क्योंकि ऐसा सेम एक्सपीरियंस हम लोगों ने खाओ सन रोड पे ले लिया था। अगर आप लोगों ने वो वीडियो अभी तक नहीं देखा है तो प्लीज़ उस वीडियो को देखिए और हम लोग रिकमेंड करेंगे कि आप लोग स्टार्टिंग से थाईलैंड सीरीज़ के हर एक वीडियो को भी देख लीजिए।
Okay, so the hotel that we booked here in Pattaya is a New Nordic Marcus. The only bad thing about this hotel is that it's a little far from the beach. It's like 650 meters. It takes 15 to 20 minutes by walking. but I booked this hotel because of the reasons like in Pattaya Beach Road, either you get too high budgeted hotels, like it's too expensive, or the budget hotels are something which is not very like hygienic or not suitable for us. So this hotel, as we have showed you the room, it's spacious enough, it's hygienic enough, it has swimming pool, everything it has, it's a balcony. So, and I have got in a really good price. And the thing is, you get Bolt taxi, like taxi from here directly to Central Pattaya Festival or Pattaya Beach, and it takes nearly 40 baht to 56 baht, that's it. So it's not a problem. And 7-Eleven is nearby, and that is the reason we book this hotel, which you can also, or you can have something in Pattaya Beach. So we'll end this video now. Hope you like the video. Do let us know in the comments, or if any doubts you have, like you can Instagram us, like DM us in Instagram. So yeah, tomorrow we'll have a tour, city tour of Pattaya. We'll explore Pattaya a little bit, and walking street was also good tonight. And so see you in the next episode. Bye bye, take care.